ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 92 श्लोका 8। दृष्ट्वा धर्मद्रुहं तं कलिमपकरुणं प्राङ्महीक्षित् परीक्षेत् दन्तुं व्याकृष्ट खड्गोऽपि न विनिहतवान् सारवेदी गुणांशात् त्वत्सेवाध्याशु सिद्ध्येदसदिह न तथा त्वत्परे चैष भीरुः यत्तु प्रागेव रोगादिभिः अपहरते तत्र हा शिक्षयैनम्। Word by word meaning. Prak, once. Parikshit, Mahikshit, King Parikshit. Apakarunam, Dharma Druham, the merciless enemy of Dharma. Tam Kalim, that Kali. Drishtva, seeing. Hantum Vyakrishta Kadgaha Api, though he drew his sword to kill. Saravedi, being a knower of the essence of things. Gunamshat, because of the good features of Kali. Na Vinihatavan, did not kill. Iha, in this Kali Yuga. Tvat Sevadi, worship of thee, etc. Ashu Siddhyet, will give results quickly. Asat na tata, evil deeds do not do so. That is, punishment for evil deeds is not immediate. Yeshaha, this Kali. Tvatpare Biruhu, cha, is moreover afraid of thy devotees. Prak eva, even before their devotion becomes firm. Rogadibihi, apaharate iti yat, if he, Kali, takes away by means of diseases, etc. Ha tatra tu yenam shikshaya, alas, do punish him for that. Full meaning. Once King Parikshit saw Kali, the merciless enemy of Dharma, and drew his sword to kill him. But realizing the good features of Kali, he did not kill him. In this Kali Yuga, worship of thee will give results quickly. But the punishment for evil deeds is not immediate, but is postponed to a future life. This Kali is moreover afraid of thy devotees. But if he takes away a person by disease, etc., even before his devotion has become firm, do punish him for that. Note, the episode about Parikshit and Kali is in Bhagavata Skanda 1, chapters 16 and 17. Om Tat Sat.